here. Look who's here. Good boy. Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh, he's kind of sad. He was sitting in the back before I called him up. So this way stops. I'm not happy to be here. You see, baby? Papas, can you sit? Come on, sit. Sit, baby. Sit, puppy. Come on, sit. Sit. Look at the face. She's so cute. Okay, bye, Angel.